Nissan Cabstar Z20. Spurs repairs, strictly Spurs repairs, as you can see. It's in quite poor condition all round. We can't get the boom up and down. We get the hydraulics working and the legs down. We've not gone into it enough to get the boom up and down. Probably needs various bits of welding doing all over. $123,000 miles, 5,000 hours on the boom. Brakes are gone. Ideally just Spurs or repairs this. I don't know if anybody could put it on the road. The boom looks pretty solid, to be fair. Underneath is more rotten. Maybe it could be remounted. We just don't have time to do it. Engine, fantastic engine, as they all are. 3 litre diesels, bomb proof. It's had various new valves on and things. I know there's a leak here hydraulically. You can see it there. That's for your leg, but like I said, the legs go down. We just can't get hydraulic pressure to the basket, and I don't intend on trying. We've just got no time whatsoever for a project like this. As you can see, it's rusty but not rotten there. Underneath the same. There you go. Keenly priced.